Oh my god, that thing is so beautiful. What is up, everybody? I'm at Christensen Auto Body, and we are about to pull out my motor over here. And I have something over there I want to show you guys that I did, and this is part of it. This is my AGP dump tube. And if you have already seen my posts on Instagram, I have my AGP log manifold also ceramic coated that I did a couple of weeks ago. I did this with VHT ceramic coating. I did the primer. I did like 3 or 4 coats of that, and then I did the ceramic coating over it, and I baked it 250, 400, and 600 half-hour each increments. I want to update you guys on my big turbo situation. I sent my Garrett 5663 down to Turbo Bay, and basically they disassembled it and told me that everything was pretty much junk internally wise, so the cartridge, they would have to go ahead and purchase a new one through Garrett, and that was like $450 alone. So I just didn't want to go ahead and spend another $1,000 on rebuilding the dinosaur. In my Prius, my father's Prius, I have a box right here. I want to show you guys that. I had ordered through one of my buddies, Ricardo. Pretty sure you guys know him, Full Throttle.
But with the cup of coffee, it's a little hard.
What up, Rick? He went ahead and helped me pick out a new turbo for my Neon build. I stuck with the AGP log manifold and dump tube. I will be upgrading the dump tube because that's too small. It restricts me at 22 pounds and surges my turbo. That was with the Garrett 5663. But right here, what I have is my precision turbo that me and Ricardo talked about. I'm just gonna go ahead and try and open this with one hand. I want to show you guys the turbo. I want to see it too. I've actually never owned another turbo other than my Garrett 5663 dinosaur. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tear that open. I should have brought a razor blade over here, but here it is. Pretty exciting. So, Gen 2 PT 6062 ball bearing SPCCW/T3 inlet 4-bolt discharge .63 AR. Alright, now that you guys know what type of turbo I went ahead and I purchased, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. So it comes with a precision turbo and engine sticker, which I love stickers. You guys obviously know that if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now. Precision dual ceramic ball bearing turbocharger. This unit has been sealed for quality purposes. Do not remove the factory oil feed restrictor fitting or damage may result. And that's that little thing right in the middle of the cartridge. That actually feeds your turbo cartridge with oil. Alright, let's go ahead and take this out. You guys can see this is how it's packaged. Ooh. Oh. So that's just like the top cover and foam thingy they have. Now you guys, and this is how it's packaged. It has a oil seal right on there. You guys want to see what I almost did? I almost threw my gasket away. Don't do that, you guys. So don't forget, you guys, this is usually taped to the outside of the Garrett turbo, and I don't believe I almost threw a gasket away. Oh, you guys, I'm pretty pumped about this. Look at that thing. And it's not that heavy, too. I feel like it's a lot lighter than my Garrett, and my Garrett was a dinosaur, like I said earlier. And they got the 4 bolts, so I don't want to go ahead and open this, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Now let's go see if we can remove this tape and put the tape back on after. I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna happen. Oh my god, that thing is so beautiful. It has a weird smell in it too. Guys, look at this thing. Do you guys see that? Oh! Look at this! Oh my god. My dog's getting so jealous. Look at her. She's over here getting jealous. Lexi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you jealous? This is worth every penny just by looking at this thing. And there it is on the back. There's a stamped Precision Turbo serial number. Look at that thing. If you guys are interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description below for this. And I also want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Ricardo. If you guys do not know who he is, then I don't know if we can be friends. Ricardo is Full Throttle Performance down in St. Petersburg, Florida. His link is in the description below. He also has a YouTube channel, so definitely go give him a subscribe. Go give him a comment on one of his videos or all of his videos and let him know that Skittlefab sent you. He did an outstanding job, you guys, for helping me pick out this turbo. I am so astonished at how this thing looks. Look at that. Ooh, so sexy. Something about it, you guys. Just something about it. And now instead of having a 3-inch inlet, I think that's a 4-inch inlet. Wow, that thing's huge. AR .70, does it say? Oh my god, I'm so pumped. There it is, you guys. That is my turbo. That is my new Precision Turbo, and it's going to be going on my AGP log manifold for now. In the future, I will be going ahead and taking off my cylinder head and putting a polish in it and building it and getting a turbo manifold and probably getting rid of this. And that won't be on there for long. It'll just more or less be on there for a startup. There it is, you guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what size Precision you guys are rocking. And yeah, there it is. What's this little thing in here? So it's a little questionnaire type thing. What type of vehicle will this be used on? So I'll have to send that back to him when I fill it out. Well, until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace!